Welcome to the channel. If you have any problems or have errors, crashes, and so on from the application Roblox, I will show you how to solve and fix it. Write if my solution helped you, if you got it right. If you still have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. For this we will need the first thing to do: go to the Apple Store or Google Play Market and try to update our application Roblox. As I have here, it says open. I do not need to update it. Just click. If after that you still have it does not work, then the second way, you need to press the icon Roblox. Click Remove App and Delete. And after that, go to Apple Store and re-download. The third way is to try to turn on the flight mode. That it is reboot the phone. Then turn on Wi-Fi and try again, or go to or reinstall the application. Another way is you need to go to the settings. After you go to the settings, you will need to open the General tab, iPhone storage, and here scroll down and find Roblox. Next you need to click it Unload the application. Once it unloads, you click Install and reinstall. Don't worry all your data, documents. As it says here, all your saves, everything will still be there. You'll just update it. Unload it and then re-download it. So that was just some simple, easy tips on how to fix it. Let me know if my solution worked for you, if it worked for you. If you still have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I'll be sure to read and answer. Subscribe to the channel, put likes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.